Here's a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'm going to show you how to perform a master factory reset, which is basically a hard reset using the hard keys. Okay, very simple here. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your phone, so you can press and hold the power button, and we get the power off menu here. Let's go ahead and power off. Power off. I just felt it vibrate, and now I know the phone is off. Okay, so while the phone is totally off, next thing you got to do is press and hold two buttons simultaneously. It's going to be the power button and the volume up. Press and hold both buttons, and just wait till you see the Samsung logo, then let go. Okay, we'll do it together. Volume up, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding until we see the Samsung logo appear. There it is. Go ahead and let go, and this will boot us up into the Android recovery menu. All right. There we go. And then from here you can move up or down using the volume up or down button. What you want to do is go down towards this wipe data / factory reset. Now don't forget, you get this little message down here in red. Basically, if you have a Google, which is a Gmail email account that's linked to one of the email apps, once you perform the factory reset, and then when you start the initial setup, eventually it's going to ask you for your Gmail and password that you have linked to proceed with the setup process. Okay, so just take note. So if you want to go ahead and proceed with the factory reset, make sure it's highlighted. Tap on the power button right here. This is basically saying once this is done, this cannot be undone. Don't forget, you will lose all your photos, videos, personal information, and so on. So I'm going to go down to factory data reset, and to continue, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the power button right here. Then we can see data wipe complete, and now it defaults up here, highlights reboot system now, which is exactly what we want. Let's go ahead and press on the power button. And now we basically just going to have to wait like maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so just be patient. Now it's going to sit here on the Samsung Galaxy logo for a little bit. And there we go. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck.